This is the 7-inch 1080p waterproof monitor with an integrated DVR SKU 34079. This is our tactical grade screen, rough enough for the military customer, but elegant enough for the fanciest of yachts. With a 1080p LCD panel, you will have the perfect image in direct sunlight or auto dimming in pitch dark. The metal shell is completely waterproof and powder coated for extreme durability. This AHD monitor will accept up to 4 1080p cameras that have 4-pin aviator connections. If you have RCA, don't worry, we have adapters for that as well. It is also backwards compatible, which means if you have an old non-AHD camera, the screen will still accept that image. Also, and for the first time in our tactical line, we have added a watertight SD card memory card slot that will allow you to record 24/7. Lastly, this screen includes a powder-coated U-bracket and a removable sun shield. Oh yeah, and let's not forget, you can watch the cameras 1 at a time, 2 at a time, or 4 at a time. In fact, you have 14 unique view modes. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!